Welcome to today's video, in which I'm going to give you more information about the discovery made by a California chemistry teacher that saved his teeth and gums. So let's get right to it. In a moment I'm going to show you what you need to do to get your teeth and gums back to a healthy stage again, even if you thought you had tried everything else. In the last video, I showed you an overview of the tooth and gum repairing discovery made by a California chemistry teacher. Today, I'll let you know a little bit more about how it works. The remedy is a combination of 29 different plant ingredients that are harvested from around the world. Some come from Europe, some from India and China, other ones from Africa. The restorative process includes 6 steps. The first one involves breaking existing plaque and tartar. This is accomplished by the use of 3 plants. The second step involves destroying bacterial colonies by placing them in substances that will decontaminate them. It uses 3 ingredients that are loaded with vitamin C and K and minerals such as folate, phosphorus, and magnesium. The third step involves strengthening your teeth by tightening the gums and healing the wounds. This step uses 2 plants to accomplish this task. The next, fourth step, involves strengthening your teeth by filling them with vitamins and minerals. 4 ingredients are used to achieve this task. The fifth step involves purification and detoxification of the gut bacteria balance maintenance in the mouth. 4 plants help in achieving this goal. The last, 6th step involves forming a protective shield in your mouth to prevent bacteria from destroying your gums and teeth. 5 detoxifying ingredients will accomplish this task. You are probably wondering, does it really work? The best thing to do is to try it. You don't have anything to lose. What about money? You might ask. Well, you can try it, and if you are not happy for any reason, you will get a full refund if you decide you are not happy with the results. That's an offer that's hard to beat. It beats the price of gum grafts, surgeries, or even routine visits to the dentist. Not that I'd recommend you stop going to the dentist. Other people are writing raving reviews about this discovery. You can see some of the testimonials when you click the link below. Once you sign up for our free daily tips, I'll take you directly to the full story behind this discovery, where you can also order his products and see by yourself what it can do for you. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell below to be notified about our next topic. We have more videos about oral health coming up shortly. In the next video, I'm going to be talking some more about why you might want to try this method before it's too late. Also, don't forget to click on the link below to get our free daily tips. See you in the next video.